Hi, welcome to the Worth It YouTube channel. I'm Liz, CEO and founder of Worth It. I'm a positive and organisational psychologist that specialises in working with schools to develop a whole school approach to mental wellbeing and the early intervention and prevention of children and young people's mental health problems. That is quite a mouthful to say. On this channel, you'll find a lot of helpful information about using a coaching approach with young people, about positive psychology, and how to develop whole school mental health and wellbeing. You'll also be able to gain a lot of free resources and CPD workshops on my website, which you'll be able to gain access to below. We also have a lot more in-depth information about our courses and resources and support available to schools and organisations. If you're interested in this content, then please hit subscribe and you'll be able to be updated with our regular videos as they get released.